Yes, sir.
Shall I go? Okay, well, so this demo is a product of a work collaboration that we have done between Nvidia and Gear to showcase our latest capabilities in terms of automotive and mapping. Okay. So basically this demo combines Nvidia next generation hardware, the Tegra X1, which was announced on Sunday on Nvidia keynote, together with our next generation mapping engine. This is a prototype software, but many of the elements that you see here are going to be gradually introduced in our product over the next year or so, in our Here Auto SDK navigation product. So basically what you see here is a 3D realistic representation of Chicago. People familiar with Chicago can recognize all the corners of the city, you know, like extremely detailed representation of buildings as well as streets. It's very snappy, very quick, considering the latest Nvidia hardware as well as the software. You can actually see the ability, we have the ability to select buildings, and I will explain later why would that make sense. Anyway, one of the things we want to highlight here is not just about beautiful 3D buildings, it's also about, very important in the context of automotive, the lane data model. So basically, as you see here, I just enabled the lane data model, so you can actually see that the buildings, the roads, they are represented lane by lane in an accurate way. So actually, this is also used in another product from here. It's an automated driving cloud product. It's a product we're creating for autonomous driving. And the HD map 1.0 version of that product contains lane level, centimeter level representation of the road. Extremely important in the context of automotive. What we also have in this demo is a cool representation of how we can customize the map. Extremely important for our customers. You know, they like our map, but they also like the ability to customize it, change to the branding, their design. So you can see here different examples. For example, this is a bit more abstract. You can see the buildings there's less detail there. This is a really cool case in which, you know, we magic hour when it's getting dark. It's a little bit dark maybe in this screen, but you can see that. Nighttime, of course, really pretty as well. Vintage, it looks a little bit more, if you can see, like a video game. Auto grade, monolithic grade. So the point of this is we want to provide the tools and the APIs to make it very easy for our customers to customize the experience of the map, right? Another pretty cool example I have is routing. So I can make a beautiful route between 2 points. Like, let me pick 2 points here. For example, this one, this building that I highlight now. You can see a use case of highlighting the building. And then I want to show the destination, let's say this building here. So what it does is calculates a route between the 2 points. And then it actually goes to a simulation mode in which it simulates a route. And then it goes close in, so you can actually see a street level representation of the map. And again, it's a good way to see how accurate is the lane model. You know, every single street that you see here, this is the lane model in the real life as well.
That's fantastic.